Okay, so guys, I want to take you to one of the sample questions for GRE. So this is a question from the chapter number system, one of the very important chapter, and minimum 2 to 3 questions you will find in your exam from this chapter, right? So let me explain you how exactly you should approach such questions. See, one of the important thing you guys have to ensure that time is very important. So there would be some shortcuts which I would teach you today, right? So let's try out these questions. If x is an integer such that 3x plus 7 is divisible by 5, which of the following must be true? Now before we read the options, we have to understand what this question is all about. Now divisible by 5 means what? Divisibility rule, if you guys have learned, then you will come to know that if any number is divisible by 5, what does it mean? So the remember, divisibility rule of 5 is that unit digit must be either 0 or 5, right? So what we have to consider is that what value of x will bring a number where the unit digit is 0 or 5. That's the only thing we have to find out. Now rather than attempting that what all x value can bring thus such kind of number here, we can now start looking from the options, right? That will save our time a lot. So let's take option A. Now what option A says? X is divisible by 5. What does it mean? X is divisible by 5 means x can be either 5 itself or 10 or 15 or 20, something like that, right? Let's take an example. If x is, for example, 5, right? Now 5 into 3 is 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 is not divisible by 5. That means this option is not always true. We can cross. Let's take option number 2. X is equal to 1. Now let's replace x is equal to 1. That means 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 is divisible by 5. Right, that makes sense. I think that works. Let's keep that option correct now. But before we conclude, let's try out other things as well. For example, x is equal to 4. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 7 is 19, not divisible by 5. Cross 3. 3 threes are 9 plus 7 is 16, not divisible by 5. X is equal to 2. 2 threes are 6. 6 plus 7 is 13, not divisible by 5. Now we have already have a final answer, which is x is equal to 1 in order to, which is the only option satisfying this equation. Hence, this is the absolutely correct option. Yeah. So this is how the shortcut you should apply in order to get the right answer within a short period of time for such questions. Okay. I hope you had a good time. Thank you.